class 6 we are doing revision of our chapter number 1, which is solar system. In this chapter, in our previous video, we already discussed about the solar system, the constellations and many more points. Today we will do rest of the term, and the first is between inner and outer planet. In our previous lecture also we discussed that what is inner planet and what are outer planets. So here is your term. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth are called inner planets, and outer planets are, these are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In this picture you can see that the first is Sun and then 8 planets which revolve around the Sun. The first 4 inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. There is a ring of small bodies which are made of rocks and metals. These are called asteroids. Here you can see the line. This belt is known as asteroid belts because this belt is made up of asteroids. And what are asteroids? Asteroids are small bodies which are made up of rocks and metal. They are made up of rocks and metal are called asteroids, and when all asteroids make their belt and move like this, they are called asteroid belts. Now you can identify where are asteroid belt. Between inner and outer planets there is a ring of small bodies which are made of rocks and metals. These are called asteroids. They also keep moving around the sun. This belt is also move around the sun. This ring is also called asteroid belt. This ring is also called asteroid belts. Now about the Earth. Earth, the unique planet. The third nearest planet to the sun and fifth largest planet in size. Earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system and third nearest planet to the sun. Which are the two planets before the Earth are, the first one is Mercury and the second one is Venus. Now the third one is Earth. So the Earth is third nearest planet to the sun. Geode. What is geode? Geode is a shape of the Earth. Earth is slightly flattened at the poles. Slightly flattened at the pole. It means उसका झुका होना poles की तरफ. Its shape is described as a geode. Its shape is described as a geode. If I ask you that what is the shape of Earth, so you will answer me geode, which means Earth-like shape. Earth is known as unique planet. We know very well that our Earth is called blue planet and unique planet in the solar system because Earth is the only planet which has life because of air and water. Yes, Earth contains air and water, so it supports life. So that our Earth is called unique planet. It is the only planet to support life. Earth is the only planet to support life. It's neither too hot or nor too cold. It's neither too hot or nor too cold. It has water and air, which life supporting gas like oxygen. Air has life supporting gases like oxygen, so that life is possible here. That is why the Earth is called unique planet. Now we will read it again. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun and fifth largest planet in size. The size of the Earth is on the fifth largest planet. What is the shape of the Earth? The shape of the Earth is geode. Earth is slightly flattened at the poles. Its shape is described as geode. Earth is known as unique planet because it is the only planet to support life. Because Earth supports life. It's neither too hot or nor too cold. It has water and life supporting gases like oxygen. Oxygen, it is very important for us. Next is Earth, the blue planet. Our Earth is also known as blue planet. Here you can see the picture of globe, our Earth. It is also known as watery planet because 70% of its surface is covered by water. Here you can see the picture of Earth. The 70% of its surface is covered by water. It contains 70% water and 30% land area. It reflects about 1/3 of sunlight it receives. The Earth's atmosphere scatters the light and creates a blue affection. So it is also called blue planet, only planet having life. Earth is the only planet which having light, and it has 1/3 part. The Earth 1/3 part is covered with water and rest of the part is having land. We have 4 oceans and 7 continents. Now some more point about the Earth is Earth has Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Yes, Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. That is the Moon. Moon appears different at different times. When you see a moon, that it has many shapes. It changes its shapes and size once in about month's time. It is full moon night or Purnima. When you see the full moon, it's called Purnima, and a fortnight means 15 din. Later is a new moon night or Amavasya. After 15 days, it's called Amavasya or new moon night. Here you can see the main point is full moon night called Purnima and new moon night or called Amavasya. Its diameter is only 1/4 than that of the Earth. It is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. When you see other celestial body, then the moon is nearest to our planet. We can see only one side of the moon because moon moves around the earth in about 27 days and it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. This is the most important point, class, that we always see only one side of the moon because the rotation and revolution time of the moon is 27 days. Yes, it takes 27 days to revolve and revolve. The both timings are same. When the earth rotates on its axis, it takes 24 hours. When the earth revolves around the sun, it takes 365 days and 6 hours. But the rotation and revolution time of the moon is same, and the moon revolve around the earth. So the time taken by the moon is same, which is 27 days. We will again read this point. Earth has only one satellite, which is moon. Moon appear different size. When we call it full moon, it's called Purnima, and new moon after fortnight means 15 din baad. The new moon night are called Amavasya. We can see only one side of the moon because the rotation and revolution time of the moon is same, which is 27 days. Some more points about the moon is the moon is the only celestial body other than Earth on which humans have set food. चांद पर कदम रखने वाले सबसे पहले कदम रखने वाले थे नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. Yes, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. As the commander of the American mission Apollo 2 by the first setting foot on the moon on 21st July 1969. 21 जुलाई 1969 को चांद पर कदम रखने वाले अमेरिकन मिशन अपोलो से जाने वाले नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग वो थे जिन्होंने चांद पर पहला कदम रखा था. Now class, very important points are here that what is the difference between natural and man-made satellite. Natural and man-made satellite. A celestial body revolve around the planet is called natural satellite. A celestial body which revolve around the planet is called natural satellite. They are helpful in causing some natural phenomena such as tides. The natural phenomena means, for example, here we take example of tides. This The tide caused due to the moon. Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Here we take example of moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. It revolves around the planet which is earth, and they are helpful in causing some natural phenomena. Now here are man-made satellite. These are artificial man-made objects that orbit around the earth. अर्थ के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाने वाले, these are called artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are used for the natural satellites are used for some natural phenomena which is tide, but artificial satellites are used for communication, observation, navigation and mapping. When we use Google Map or when we call anybody, then these satellites help us to communicate and to give navigation. INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT are some of the Indian satellites. These are the example of Indian satellite. The satellites are helpful in communication, observation, navigation and mapping. They are very helpful for us. So both are very helpful. These are called natural satellite and these are man-made satellites. Now here are some question answers. You can pause this video and then note it down, and please try to solve these question answers and send me answers. I hope your all answer will be correct. Please answer it. Only 4 questions. You have to fill this, filling the blanks and then send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day, class.